Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss on the plant population calculations. Normally for the agri-graduate students these type of questions are used to come in the agronomy course, and also for the farmers who are going to raise the crops need to know how many plants are present in their field for effective applications of fertilizers, insecticides or pesticides. So I am going to show in the video how to calculate these plant populations for an area. This is AgriStarchy. Plant population refers to number of plants per unit area of land, and plant spacing refers to the arrangement of plants on the area planted. Here this plant population and plant spacing are very much required for calculating the problem, where plant spacing usually given in the 30 into 10 centimeter or 16 to 30 or 16 to 10. Based on the crop, the spacing will be different for each and every crop. So this plant spacing is needed, much required to know this plant population. Coming to the formula, plant population is equal to area in meter square divided by spacing in meter square. Normally in the problems we are not going to get the area in meter squares but in hectares or acres, and also spacing also will be given in sometimes in meters or in centimeters. So we need some of the conversion factors to use them. For example, these are the conversion factors. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square or 2.5 acre, or 1 acre is equals to 4,000 meters square, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, or 1 centimeter is equals to 0.01 meters. So please do remember these conversion factors and apply them whenever required in the problem. Yes, let's see the problem. First problem is like this. Calculate the plant population of rice having a spacing of 30 into 10 centimeter for 1 hectare and also for 1 acre. I am showing for both 1 hectare and 1 acre. Here they asked the plant population calculation of rice, which is having a spacing of 30 into 10 centimeter. Here 30 centimeter is between the distance between the two rows, whereas 10 centimeters is the distance between the each plant in the row. So these are the values given in the problem. Let's see the solution. For 1 hectare, the calculation is like this. Plant population is equals to the area 10,000 meter square divided by, here the spacing is given in centimeter, so we are converting them in the meters, 0.3 meter into 0.1 meter, where the solution is 3,33,333 plants per hectare. This is the plant population for 1 hectare. Coming to 1 acre, here the plant population is equals to area. We need to convert from acre to meter square, which is 1 acre is 4,000 meter square. So 4,000 meter square divided by 0.3 meter into 0.1 meter is the spacing. The solution is 1,33,333 plants per acre. So this is a simple calculation for 1 hectare and 1 acre. If the problem is given like this, calculate the plant population of 1 hectare paired row maize with a spacing of 90 into 60 into 60 30 centimeter. So if the problem is like this, here normally we go for different cropping patterns. So here the maize has been cultivated in the paired row pattern. So if the problem is like this, how to calculate? For paired row planting, the formula is like this. Plant population per hectare is equals to area in meter square divided by mean of paired row and inter-row distance and plant to plant distance. So let me explain clearly. The mean of paired row planting means the mean of this paired row, means between this two paired row, what is the distance, and inter-row between these two paired rows. This is is the paired row distance and inter-row distance, and plant to plant distance is the distance between each plant in the row. So these need to be properly remembered. Here in the problem, there has been given 90 into 60 into 30, where 90 is the inter-row distance between two rows here, whereas 60 is the distance between the paired row, whereas 30 centimeter is the distance between each plant in the row. So here the crop is not maize, but for simple explanation I have shown this crop. Next here now the solution is Plant population per hectare is equals to area in meter square by a mean of payload row and distance between inter row distance into plant to plant distance. In this are in meters, where the solution is 10,000 divided by mean of payload row and inter row, which is 0.9 plus 0.6 divided by 2, means this is the mean of this payload row and inter row distance, into plant to plant distance, which is 0.3, which gives 10,000 divided by 0.225. This all calculation results to 0.225. The solution is 44,444 plants per hectare. So these are the simple calculations for calculating for the simple for 1 hectare or 1 acre, or if they given in payload row distance. If you have any doubts or need videos on any other agricultural topics, please do comment, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Until then, this is AgriStarch.